Hello, my name is Priya Nagireddy, and I am presenting on the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear accident in Fukushima, Japan. The purpose and objectives of this PowerPoint is to provide an overview of the nuclear power plant accident in Fukushima, Japan, demonstrate the effects of the nuclear power plant accident over time, discuss the impact of the nuclear power plant accident. The table of contents provides an overview of the following slides: the areas hit by the earthquake and tsunami, the INES rankings of incidents, contaminated soil removal and the cost of it, response from previous residents, and changes in population, business, and GDP, along with summary and references. Here we have a map of Japan. Japan was hit by a 9.0 magnitude earthquake followed by a tsunami on March 11, 2011. The waves created by the tsunami flooded the reactors, causing the failure of emergency power in power plants Fukushima 1 and Fukushima 2. As you can see, the earthquake and tsunami hit the northern region of Japan the hardest. Initially, the International Atomic Energy Agency ranked the incident as a level 5, but was recategorized as a level 7, making it the second nuclear disaster to be ranked a level 7 after the 3 nuclear meltdowns, 3 hydrogen explosions, and the release of radioactive contaminations between March 12th through March 15th. Most of the atmospheric releases were blown towards the North Pacific Ocean. Additionally, any other liquid releases and discharges from the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant were directed into the sea, even up till 2013. Removal of contaminated soil in areas surrounding the plant has been an ongoing process since 2011 to current. An estimated 11 million cubic meters of soil has been removed, and it's an ongoing process that has cost over 26.5 billion USD to clean up. Over 1,500 residents were evacuated. There are no casualties reported due to the nuclear power plant disaster, because it is so hard to pinpoint health-related issues caused by the radiation of the power plant explosion. But approximately 19,000 people were killed, 2,000 people went missing, and 6,000 people injured due to the natural disaster. Here we have a pie chart showing 4,359 residents who were asked if they would return back to Fukushima, taken in 2020. 55% reported that they would not be returning, while another 25% were undecided. Residents are still hesitant to come back to Fukushima after the disaster due to fears of contamination, and there were huge outcries from the citizens to shut down the nuclear power plants. Here we take a look at the economic impact of this incident on the northern region of Japan as well compared to the national-wide average and Tokyo, the capital of the country. When looking at the population between 2010 and 2019, Fukushima experienced a 9% loss, while the national-wide average was a negative 1.5%. The number of businesses between 2009 and 2016, Fukushima experienced a 13.1% loss, with a national-wide average being a negative 10%. When compared to the GDP, the Fukushima region has a 10.2% GDP increase from 2010 to 2017 compared to the national average of 8%. Yet it is unable to compete with the other northern regions of the area, such as Miyagi, which is at 18.4%. Cleanup is still an ongoing issue, with the Japanese government promising additional trillions of yen into the cleanup of this region. But many previous residents of the Fukushima area are still skeptical of coming back. Another issue that the emergency workers faced due to the power plant is discrimination and stigma due to the fear of radiation. They have experienced a higher number of PTSD and emotional distress due to this incident. Though the World Health Organization has reported that there are no known casualties at this time. We will be seeing the effects of this incident in the future. This concludes my presentation on the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant incident in 2011. Thank you so much.